Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you are doing well. My dear children, now without delaying, let's go to our topic in English, Class 1, Lesson 15, Anil and Geeta. Yes children, shall we go to the lesson? Okay, good. Now, before going to the lesson, I will tell you some points. See children, here in this lesson he, she, it are used. Yes children, he, she, it. He is used for boys and she is used for girls and it is used for things, places, objects. Yes, so let us begin the lesson. See children, all of you, let us all look at the picture. See on the screen children. This is the picture of a boy. His name is Anil. A-N-I-L, Anil. Now children, what is Anil doing? See, what can you think or imagine about this picture? See, Anil wants something. What children? Anil wants something. He is trying to find something in his bag. What children? Anil is trying to find something in his bag. Do you know what we can easily find? What for he is looking? He is looking for a pen. Yes? What is going on in his mind children? He is looking for a pen. Okay? Now read this first para children. Anil is a boy. He wants a pen. It is not on the table. It is on the floor. He opens the bag. The pen is not in the bag. The pen is on Anil's ear. Yes, the pen is on dash means where is the pen? The pen is on Anil's ear. Yes, children. Anil is a boy and he wants a pen. But the pen is not on the table or children, he opens the bag and finds his pen in the bag, but it is not in the bag. Where is the pen children? The pen is on Anil's ear. Yes children. Here now second para. See children. See the picture. Yes. One girl is there, no? The girl name is Geeta. Yes. Girl name is Geeta. She is a fat girl. And what for she is searching? She is finding a bun. What children? She is finding a bun. And see children, where it is, let us read the para. Geeta is a fat girl. Geeta, Geeta is a fat girl. She wants a bun. What does she want children? She wants a bun. B-U-N, bun. It is not in the plate. She opens the box. It is not in the box. Yes, children. She wants a bun, but the bun is not in the plate and she opened the box. It is also not there in the box. Yes, children. The bun is not there in the box. Now, where is the bun? See, children. The bun is in dash. Where is the bun? Can you imagine? Can you find children? Where is the bun? By seeing the picture you can tell, no? Yes, correct. The bun is in dog's mouth. Where is the bun children? The bun is in dog's mouth. This is the end of the lesson children. Yes, your homework is you read this lesson 2 times. Okay children? You read this Anil and Geeta lesson 2 times. This is your homework. Okay children? Bye. See you tomorrow.